Students transition from a summer schedule to a work schedule, a school schedule. And when school starts, that all changes because they were up till midnight doing everything they were doing, and now they're saying, wait a minute, I gotta be in bed at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, because we need them sleeping 8 hours to be successful in the classroom. Attendance is crucial for student success in and out of the classroom. It's a collaborative partnership between educators, parents, and students. Over the years, I've spoken to families and they said, Manuel, we didn't realize how important, it's just once a week or it's once a month. Well, it all adds up. So here's a recipe to success: sleep. I need my students sleeping 8 to 10 hours. For educators, not only are we educators, but we're investigators. So we need to find out, why isn't that student come to school? We always land on rigor and relevance. How engaging is my lesson? Because when students want to come to your classroom, they're there. It's like good food. If it's a good curriculum, they're gonna show up every day, hungry. If not, they're gonna miss school.